lows in the lower 70s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of wind. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, north central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake View, or 10 miles northeast of Mullins, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chebour, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Boardman, Kemper, Cherry Grove, Evergreen, Barnesville, Southeastern Community College, Nichols, Cerro Gordo, and Marietta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.